Group's newest listing at 2015 Kalmia Ave.
Located in Boulder, Colorado, this tastefully updated ranch-style home has one of the most premium lots in the entire city. You're not going to want to miss this one.
Let's go look. Welcome in. The first thing you're going to notice is this beautiful open concept. Right when you walk in, you have an office. Could be used as a bedroom as well. Has a bright window in the front. And then look at this room. This is the heart of the home. A beautiful living room, oversized, gas fireplace, and your double sliding doors blur the line between indoor and outdoor living. Welcome to the backyard. This is my favorite part of this property. Almost an acre in Boulder, Colorado of usable backyard. My favorite thing is playing yard games and activities out here, like wiffle ball. Let me show you.
Now, hopefully that wiffle ball scene gives you a bit of an idea of how large this yard is, but truly this is something you have to see for yourself in person to appreciate. Now it's time for my favorite part, because I like to eat, and that is the kitchen. Check out the size of this. You've got wraparound cabinets with these beautiful gray quartz countertops around. Need to charge your phone? Well, you've got pop-up outlets. How about sinks? You've got a farmhouse style sink. You've got a prep sink. Maybe you're boiling some noodles. You've got a pot filler over your gas range. There is so much cabinet space in here, and they are all soft close as well. This is a chef's dream. Now, once you've cooked yourself a beautiful 5-course meal in your Viking appliances, it's time to eat it. And for that, I got quite the space for you. Check out the size of this formal dining room. This is probably a 12-foot long table. It's got this gorgeous light fixture, tons of front-facing windows, can lights, and Sonos and ceiling speakers to give you a little ambiance while you're eating.
After a long day's work, everybody needs a place to come and kick off their shoes and relax. This is the place to do it. Look at this amazing primary suite right out of a magazine. You have crown molding, lots of details, windows all around, and the best part is you see green, so it's very private. And every showstopper bedroom needs a show-stopping bathroom, and this one does not disappoint. When you walk in, there's beautiful porcelain tile. You have a soaking tub, glazed windows, a huge walk-in shower, double vanities, and to top it all off, a massive walk-in closet.
As we make our way to this end of the house, you've got your 2 additional bedrooms. Both of them have been recently updated. Both of these bedrooms are connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom that was also just redone with a brand new farmhouse style vanity and a quartz countertop. Now, this beautiful powder room was also completely remodeled. They also added a shower, so now it's a 3/4 bath. But as you can see, brand new vanity, some beautiful wallpaper, and marble flooring with a frameless glass shower. Now, if that upper level is not enough space for you, you want a little bit of seclusion from time to time, you've got this fully finished basement. To the left, you've got an amazing entertainment area, plenty of space for TVs and couches. To my right, you've got a dry bar with a nice beverage fridge. As we work our way this way, this could be used as kind of a play space, maybe a hybrid area. And then back in this corner, we got what they're using now as a gym. It's got this really nice flooring, which is kind of replicates the qualities of a gym mat, but it looks much prettier and it doesn't smell like rubber. You've also got a 3/4 bathroom up here as well. Thank you so much for taking your time to view this amazing property with us today.
If you would like any additional information or would like a private tour, please reach out at the information at the end of the video.